This is not good. Now guys, these are not just short-tailed swallows. These are barn swallows that are now starting to, there's been global warming in Africa. So, this is not good, right? These birds, have now stopped migrating altogether due to, global warming here in South Africa. This is totally not good, because if a swallow stays in the UK all year round, they're probably going to freeze to death in the winter. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at this. In South Africa, there's global warming. Oh my gosh. You see what I mean? I mean, just no! I mean, wait. I mean, huh? How the heck did they become seen in January? Well, I have saw some swallows down the river while I was looking for that. For that black duck. I thought it was an American black, but it wasn't. It was a kangaroo. So, I've just gone here and then there was these swallows. Huh? How the heck did that end up on there? Tail feathers, I accidentally clicked on it. What have I done? Now the whole video is going to be really ruined. Phew, now it's gone. Seriously, man? I mean, how can swallows stay in the UK all the way around? I mean, what the heck? No, not Wakefield Peregrines, man. Come on. You see the swallows? That's according to Wikipedia, look. The swallows, martins and sawwings, or hirundinidae, are a family of passerine birds found in the world on all continents, including... That's got to be false, stupid Wikipedia. They're not found in flipping Antarctica. Anyways, go on the news. It's too cold. How on earth? So, despite them making such a mess, seriously, man? Seriously? Seriously, this is the most, I didn't know that swallows are most celebrated migrants. Well, how come they, seriously, man? How can they become seen in January? Why didn't they freeze to death? January was usually cold. Winter is usually cold. Why were they here in this cold? Do you believe it? So anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. The swallow migration has stopped. This is unbelievable.